You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
So this is Station 1. This is where everything starts. You can see they've already taken out the seats. They're getting ready to pull out the carpet. They'll pull the doors off here in a minute. I'm Brian Crowe. I'm the Director of Manufacturing at Vantage Mobility International. My family had a brother-in-law with spina bifida who was in a wheelchair his entire life. So I knew what the challenge was, getting into a van, getting around. The vans that we make, for the most part, all of them can be converted to where the wheelchair customer is the passenger or the driver. He's taking out some of the foam insulation because when we move into the welding station, if we leave that foam in, it'll catch on fire. Yeah, just make sure you don't look right at where they're welding.
That's Brian Crowe overseeing the production of wheelchair-accessible vans at the VMI factory in Phoenix. If you have suggestions or hear things that make Phoenix, send us a note at theshow@kjzz.org.